Audio Jungle.
So, good evening, everybody. Thanks for joining once again in our lecture number 8. So, agenda for today is practice for a few more programs. Then, you understand the character data type, char data type, ASCII code, which is full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Practice programs to understand ASCII code and few more stuff. Okay, this is a generic agenda just for let you know everybody that how we are going
Yes, sir.
today's session. Okay, so let's start. So before starting, I want you guys to perform one program quickly. Okay, so see, first of all, I want my expectation is that you have to perform programming now and then. Okay, now quickly, maybe 5 minutes or whatever, like minimum time. uh, can you do this program quickly and show me the output in chat? Write a program to accept two number from user and display results of all arithmetic operator. So of all arithmetic operator, what does it mean? I am expecting only binary operator. Now, anybody has question that what is binary operator and which are those? So can we take the time now? Can we start the time?
Only 4 are binary operator, no?
5 binary operators, but you can do 4. That is also okay. So quickly accept two number from user and display results for of all arithmetic operator. That is the goal. And from now onward, whenever uh, we are going to meet, right, in any session, I'm requesting all of you to be ready with notebook, pen, and your Turbo C editor, whatever format it is. Maybe it is Turbo C, blue screen, or online editor, right? Or any app that you have. Doesn't matter which is. But I want everybody to be ready before I join here, right? So please start this program. I'm just um, putting a time here now. It's 7:30. So can we make 7:35 as a deadline? Otherwise, I will start. So for those who joined today or who have ignored my previous session, for all of them, arithmetic operator is nothing but plus. Sorry, arithmetic binary operator is nothing but plus, minus, then multiplication, and then division, and then percent. These are the 5 operators. So you can do all or you can do 4 of them. So it's a very simple. I think many of us should do this. And once done, please raise your hand. Okay. Okay. If any of your friend not join, you can invite him or her and ask them to continue. Everybody started? Is my screen visible to you? Blue screen?
Sir,
Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah. So after this program, we will finish our arithmetic operator understanding. Okay. Okay. What happened? My machine is little bit slow because multiple applications are open. I'm trying to close each one by one, but let's see. Oh. So those who has done the program, please raise your hand so that I'll aware out of all the people how many time finishing it. Okay. Is blue screen visible now?
able to see the
It's
screen.
visible, sir. Visible, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So anybody completed the program?
Not able to see blue screen.
Not able to see my blue screen?
Sir, able to see now.
Okay,
Sir, now able to see.
okay, great. You can declare variables on single line provided each variable is separated by comma and data type is repeated only once in the beginning, ended with semicolon. Okay. How many percentage I can write here?
Percent D.
1, 2, 3. How many I can write?
Yes, sir. Sir, two.
Minimum 2 or maximum 2?
Minimum.
Hmm?
Minimum 2.
Hmm.
Minimum one, maximum as per our choice.
Yes, minimum is 1, maximum as we require, right? You understand, everybody? Scanf, yes, we done. Now I accepted. Now you have to tell me, as per our assignment, we have to perform arithmetic operations, right? How many of you done? Anybody done? You can speak, because Turbo C controls my screen actually. I cannot see your chat window or participant window now. You can speak with me if you have done. Did you understand the question? आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन समझ में आया क्या? हमें 2 नंबर एक्सेप्ट करने हैं और अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर मींस बाइनरी अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर का यूज करके हमको प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट करना है, राइट? अब बाइनरी अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर कौन से हैं? प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लीकेशन डिवीजन एंड परसेंट. तो I can write here one more variable answer. Here I'll do answer equal to number 1 plus number 2, that is plus operator, use of plus operator. Then printf %d plus %d
And number 1.
equal to %d. Now see how to write the output. As I didn't get any response, I started actually. Okay, so don't worry about it. no1 comma no2 comma answer. Fine. So now I'll run this program. I'm expecting now you all to complete this program at least now. What is the error? No error. Great. Good programming. Lines compiled. Oh, what is this? CLR SCR should have prototype. Somebody was yesterday, day before yesterday, I guess. I was not getting this error. I surprised. Did you understand solution of the errors? What is the addition of this?
$25.
Is it right? So likewise, I want you to write all the 5 operator one by one and see the output. That is the program. Is it simple? Start now. Rest 4 operator. Do it fast. आप लोग जब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो प्रोग्राम नहीं समझ में आएगा आपको. आप ये 100% है. आपको एनवायरमेंट से प्रॉब्लम है, then you have to struggle there, right? You have to overcome that problem by installing proper way. अगर आपके पास आपका इंस्टॉलेशन पूरा हुआ है, आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, यू कैन आस्क मी, यू कैन वॉच प्रीवियस वीडियोस, पूरा बहुत डिटेल में बताया मैंने, ठीक है? सो
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सो
Yes.
प्लीज कंप्लीट रेस्ट ऑफ द ऑपरेटर्स. विच आर दोज नाउ?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, this program you have did on Turbo C++, no?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This is a very simple program, but you know, for you to understand how to write, हमें जो चाहिए एज अ प्रोग्रामर, जो स्टेटमेंट चाहिए वो कैसे लिखने हैं, वो आप यहां से सीख पाओगे, राइट? एरर आया तो डरना नहीं है, मेरे को बताना है क्या एरर आया है. आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन एरर्स. जो एरर छुपाता है वो कभी प्रोग्रामर बन नहीं सकता. Divided by you have to be very careful because all your concepts will get applied here. So at least first 4 binary operators we have covered. I written the program. Are you able to see everybody? Everyone? Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see now program? Complete full screen?
Sir.
Great. So let me compile. I run actually. Oh, the meeting is. Please enter 2 numbers. So again we will do 12, 13. Is it visible, all of you? Did you see the output? Hello? Did you see the output? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, thanks. So just check. I done mistake, right?
Yes.
क्या करना है मेरे को? पहला क्लीन आउटपुट देना है. मैंने सब मेस कर दिया उधर, राइट? तो लेट्स क्या क्या फिक्स है उसका क्लीन आउटपुट के लिए?
Yes, sir. Software and output.
हाँ, हेलो. Yes, slash n. Yeah, 5 sets slash n. That is perfect. So let me write slash n.
No backslash n.
That is called backslash. Okay, backslash n. Backslash n. So let me again run. If that is the solution. 12, 13. अब देखिए कितने आउटपुट सही है मेरे को बताना आप. छोटा नंबर लू क्या? छोटा नंबर लेता हूं, देखो. 2,3. अभी तो ठीक है. हाँ, कितने आउटपुट सही है वो मेरे को बताना.
3 सही है और आखिरी वाला डिवीजन वाला गलत आ गया।
गलत आ गया ना? मैंने क्या
यस
मिस्टेक
सर।
मैंने कोई मिस्टेक नहीं किया। अभी देखो आप, देखो डिवीजन तो सही किया है मैंने। इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम? इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम हियर? यस रिया?
No, you can in the output you can take first number bigger.
फर्स्ट नंबर
Bigger.
bigger. Okay. Bigger means we have to change the data type of answer. So what I will do here, take float and not int, right? So those who are saying take float, I'll change this to float. और हो गया क्या काम अपना? रन करे? रन करे? ओके, रिया saying yes. Let me run. एरर आ गया। मैंने क्या गलती किया? ओ सेमीकोलन नहीं दिया। सेमीकोलन नहीं दिया तो लैंग्वेज के जो ग्रामर है वो हमने
Yes,
फॉलो
sir.
नहीं किया, उसने एरर दे दिया अपने को, विच इज ओके। फिर वापस हम लोग 2 स्पेस 3 करते हैं। अभी क्या हुआ? ओ अब तो सब गलत आ गया। अभी तो जैसा आपने बोला वैसा किया मैंने।
Percentage.
हाँ, क्या होता है परसेंटेज?
और आपने पहले ही लाइन में इंट लिया और दूसरे लाइन में फ्लोट ले लिया।
हाँ, तो क्या करना है चाहिए मैंने?
इंट को चेंज करके फ्लोट कर दीजिए।
नहीं, वो वैसे ही रखना है मेरे को, वो वैसे ही रखना है। अच्छा चलो, आप बोल रहे तो मैं करता हूँ। लेट मी डू दैट एज रिस्पेक्टिव। कर दिया मैंने। ये फिर से वही चलाना है। अब देखिए क्या हुआ। अभी भी सही नहीं है आउटपुट अपना। ओके,
हेलो सर।
हाँ यस, एम आई ऑडिबल?
तो डिवीजन में जो प्रिंट का लाइन लिखा है वहाँ